Oh my gosh! 60 mile per hour and it's raining really Yeah, security called on us. Now we're running away. Didn't you just have your camera? Yeah, but I set it down and I forgot to pick it back up. We're at dinner.
Casually at dinner.
Open your menu.
Whenever like the boat first like tipped way to the side.
Oh, that's sweet. I think you should have had one, Eddie. Nice.
Well, I got 3 French onion soups. How to eat soup.
What the?
The boat is so shaky back here, like the whole restaurant is like leaving.
All your bags are packed, ready to go to see about the day. Leaving all of us.
Now we're gonna go
Oppa Gangnam Style.
Oh my gosh! There are 60-mile-per-hour winds outside and we just went on the front deck, but security told us to leave. Sweet. There we go. That works. Goals.